Hey everybody. So I'm here in Pittsfield, Mass with my in-laws, my brother-in-law. We're visiting my father-in-law who's 94. So my wife is spending a lot of time with him and I'm doing my thing. I want to talk with you about funnels, fun with funnels. That's why they call them funnels, because they're fun. It's a sales funnel, right? And the cool thing about a sales funnel is it's like a production line. You just work the pieces, the stages, the elements, and you get more sales. It's not a random act, it's a productive act. Now there's two key ingredients. You want to be improving the following three. Velocity, how fast things go through the steps. You want to have the yield of each step be great. So when you get to a step in the sales funnel, a lot of deals don't drop out, a lot of deals make it through. And of course, you want to increase volume, the number of leads, the number of prospects, the number of candidates at the top of the funnel. So it's volume, yield, and velocity, okay? That's the focus. Now, the way to make that work is you got to measure at each step in the funnel what is happening. And then look at those metrics. How many went in the top? How many made it through step 2? How long it takes for something to go from the top to out the bottom, right? And when you do that, then there's no mystery to it. It's not difficult. It's a game. It's fun, right? But partly it's fun because you're making progress. You're making progress through each stage. You're not waiting for a sale to be made to feel like you're making some progress, get that little endorphin hit. No, you can be watching the yield improve. You can be watching things go through each stage. That makes us feel good, progress towards something that's important to us. And the other reason is that it gives you a greater sense of control. You know, in life, when we don't feel control, we feel bad. It feels good to feel at least we have some influence. Yes, the Stoics teach us that we have basically control over nothing, but we do have influence. So it feels good to have influence. So anyway, that's all about the funnel. If you work your sales funnel, you will have more sales. It'll be more enjoyable and productive. Funnels are fun. Have a great one. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, forward it to a friend, and subscribe. So when I come up with my next video, typically every week, you'll be alerted. Spread the word. Thank you.